the 2019 Ram 1500 Classic. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.